2, 3,
Okay.
go!
O come, let us worship and bow down.
So I will ever sing praises to your name.
Thou shalt not meet unto thee any graven image.
Their habit of doing evil has become as much as part of them as a leopard's fur. So used to not praying or talking to God. Praying throughout the whole worship service. Iniisip natin na sobrang hirap niyang gawin or hindi natin siya magawa-gawa kasi nga hindi tayo sanay na gawin siya. Sabi dito, a new heart also will I give you. Start by just doing it. Gawin mo lang without hesitation or walang double-mindedness.